Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the terminal block hex nut on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the hex nut is missing or it's stripped. For this repair, we'll be using a 5/16 inch nut driver and a ratchet with a 3/8 inch socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So what we're going to do now is turn the stove around. To get to the nut now, we're going to have to unscrew this panel here. So I've got a 5/16 nut driver, and we're going to unscrew these two screws. Just keep in mind as you remove that second screw, just keep your hand underneath the panel so it doesn't fall off. So you can see right here, each one of these three wires has a hex nut on it. These ones are nice and tight. This one's a bit loose. So we can try and tighten it up and see if that's the issue. If that doesn't solve the problem though, you're gonna have to remove the old hex nut. And we can just remove it by hand. And now you can grab your new OEM replacement hex nut. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And I'm just going to pull this off real quick and show you. There's also a hex nut right behind that. So there should be 6 in total, so 2 on each one of these prongs. So we're going to push that wire back on now. Put our new hex nut on. Tighten it up by hand as much as possible. And once we've got it as tight as we can by hand, I'm going to get my ratchet with a 3/8 inch socket on it, and I'll tighten it up the rest of the way. There we go. So you can see right here now, that's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. So now you can put the panel back on. Now we'll put this outer panel back on. Make sure that these two bent tabs go underneath. The other ones stay above. And we'll screw it back on. Now we can turn it back around and plug it back in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.